Now breathe, like you're hyperventilating, breathe in and out the bag. Fill it up, empty it. Keep doing it. Bend over. Do it faster.
Let me get you rising shotgun.
Right.
Keep doing it.
Bend over and do it
How
fast.
far is the blunt? Let me see the blunt. No, I ain't even burning my mouth for that.
Keep doing it.
Well, I hate the blunt if you want to answer.
Not there yet.
Dude, you look like Josh trying to blow.
Alright, quickly drink a glass of cold water.
Cold water right there.
Right there.
With a penny in it.
Don't
Swallow the penny because I'm not digging it out of your poo.
Don't make that nigga snort the water through his nose. You gonna drink the penny.
Alright, stop. Okay, now it says eat a teaspoon of sugar or honey. Where's the McDonald's honey packets?
Now bounce on one foot, rub your tummy, and pat your head while saying rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Get that camera
Rubber
off me.
baby buggy bumpers.
God, y'all are cool with me, man.
Bounce on one foot, pat your head.
Yes. Oh, touchdown.
I wonder if you should have did the sugar before you did the water.
Too late.
He just downed the bag of sugar.
That nigga got energy now. Now look, bounce on one foot, rub your head and pat your
Baby
stomach.
buggy bumper.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Say it four. You gotta say
Four
four
times.
Rocker daggy duggy gumpers.
4 times and spin around.
Dougie
dog.
gumpers.
4 times and spin around, dog. That sounds like something that come up my Pepe.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. Rubber baby buggy bumpers. I think I'm patting that last.
Alright, now stop. Now you ain't got no more hiccups, do you?
Wait.
Wait for it.
Don't even think about it. How was your day today?
We're gonna trademark that. That shit works. That's a lot of sugar, man.
Alright, can we go now?
Huh?
Can we go?
Yeah, I'm gonna wash the sugar off my hands.
It's about to kick in about 10
Alright,
seconds.
she's